Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another exciting video. Today I have a surprising lip combo for you. This one is from Catrice. Have you seen that? I don't know. I saw it in my drugstore and I thought I have to try it. It says, maybe we can zoom in. It's too reflective, I guess. Maybe the camera is not catching it. Okay, it says optical teeth whitening effect. That intrigued me. So I was wondering if it's really working. Let's try it. This is in the shade, I don't know, it doesn't have a shade. Icy Plumper. It does have a shade. Why you say no shade? Icy Plumper. Okay. Let's just use this one, Elf Cream Glide Lip Liner in Pinky Swear as a guide. I guess I should have sharpened it. And a gigink. I didn't. Okay, now let's see. First of all, let's swatch it and see how it looks on my hand. Well, it doesn't look like anything. Can you see that? We don't see anything bluey. Yeah, I do see some sparkling blue. Yeah, I do. Okay, now let's see on my lips if it's going to do anything to my very yellow teeth. Oh, I really like the scent. It reminds me of a candy that I really liked when I was younger. I think they still sell it. It's a hard candy. Oh. Yeah, it is. That's if I can find a picture of it, I will pop it on the screen, but it's the same scent. It was called Icy something. I really loved it. That was back in the days that we had sugar in our candy and not sugarless, sugar-free, let's say, hard candy. That's very popular, I guess. Okay, I cleaned it because my liner kind of messed it up. First of all, it should be plumping. I do feel a bit of stinging at the ends of my lip, upper lip. But did it make my lips whiter? Okay, I don't see that. No. It's pretty. Okay, it looks gorgeous. I really like this lip combo, but I don't feel like it's doing the whitening effect. So it's pretty. It is their Max It Up Lip Booster Extreme. I forgot to say the name. It has some extreme tingling on the lips, but again, nothing over the top, and it kind of goes into my mouth when I'm talking. So now I have an icy effect in my mouth. Maybe my teeth now will look whiter. What do you think? Well, it's really weird that I am smiling like this. Alright? It's weird. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, that's really weird. I think I'm going to be banned from YouTube just because of that smile. Oh my god. Okay, so do let me know what you think. Do you think it is whitening? Okay, so to conclude, I think the lip combo with the Elf liner, again, this is in Pinky Swear, and this one is in Icy Plumper. I think it's a very pretty combination. What do you think? I do think that my lips are a bit more plumpier. Okay, so that's also positive, but I don't think my teeth look any whiter than they were at the beginning of this video, and now I'm just obsessively looking at my teeth. Oh my god. Oh my god, they do look whiter. Look at that. The illusion. There is an illusion. Can you see the illusion? Oh, I sound like this guy in the... What's the name of the movie? Oh my god, I'm so bad at movies. Okay. What's his name? Grr? Oh god. Okay. I think this video has exceeded my expectations. I'm not sure I'm really seeing the whitening effect of this. Maybe you do. Do let me know. Write something in the comment section down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join my family here on YouTube. We have a lot of fun. Do let me know what you think about this. Have you tried it? What do you think about it? I really like the effect of the mint that I have on my lips right now. It's kind of fun. It's not itchy, it's minty. Really like it. I think it will be better for maybe this summer. Okay. Like this video if you enjoyed. Write something down in the comment section down below. What do you think? Do let me know, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.